Have you ever tried out some chilled dragon fruit pina colada smoothie? No? Yes? If it's a no, try out this recipe because it turns out very sweet. It's colorful. It has a very nice tropical flavor and it's just delicious. Yeah. Dragon fruits are in season, so I hope you'll be trying out this easy and simple dragon fruit pina colada recipe. To make this delicious and smooth dragon fruit pina colada, you'll need a few ingredients. So you'll need some honey, pineapple juice, some coconut milk, pineapple chunks over here, which is 1.5 cups, and your dragon fruit. So in your blender, you're going to add in 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, your pineapple chunks, coconut milk, two to 3 tablespoons of honey. It also depends on how sweet you love your smoothies. So I'm adding 3. You can also add in maple syrup. Then I'm going to be slicing my dragon fruit. So using a sharp knife, you're going to wash your dragon fruit, and using a sharp knife, you're going to slice your dragon fruit in half, and this is how the dragon fruit looks on the inside, and this one is super juicy. Cut into quarter, and then I'm going to peel my dragon fruit, which is going to be very easy, just like this, and transfer to my blender. When done, you're going to cover your blender and blend everything until smooth. Once everything is nice and smooth and the smoothie has turned to a very vibrant pink color. Is this pink? Yes, it's pink. It's almost purple. So I'm going to pick my glass and add in some honey that is all around my glass. This is to add in some pattern to my smoothie, just to make it more interesting. Add in some coconut milk and my dragon fruit pina colada smoothie. When done blending your dragon fruit pina colada smoothie, it's going to be looking very gorgeous and yummy. I've already had a sip of my delicious smoothie, and I can tell it's very delicious because everything is just, it's just up there. It's just shouting. You have a very nice coconut flavor, and also the pineapple, the honey, and the dragon fruit are just everything is just perfect. Let me just say that. I definitely love the coconut flavor in my pina colada. The pineapples also have added in a very nice taste to our smoothie, making this smoothie just nutritious, perfect, and just eye-catching because it's just so gorgeous. So this is a recipe worth trying because you have some dragon fruit, which has lots of benefits, and also pineapple, together with the honey and our coconut milk, making this smoothie very delicious and nutritious. Hope you'll be trying out the recipe, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section what you think about this delicious dragon fruit pina colada recipe.